Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are new to my channel. Guys, welcome back again for another video. I know it's been a while, but we will try the best we can. Thank you guys. To keep it up. Like, share, from where we ended. Get notified. So thank you guys. From what you can see right now, you can start imagining what I'm about to do, but I can't let you imagine. I don't expect you to know what I'm about to do. So, like you all know, it's like hair crochet. Hair crochet. You can use any kind of hair to do a crochet hairstyle. Right now I'm using afro. Please like, subscribe. I used afro hair, which I have to reuse it to try this short hair style. Yeah, you can do it using a wig cap, or you can do it on your own natural hair by braiding a single braid or no, a cornrow. Or you can actually put this net on top of your hair, then sew it. So there are like 3 or 4 ways of doing this crochet stuff. So I want to try a low cut crochet like many others out there. It's been a thought in my mind for a while now, so today I have decided to do it. So guys, let's keep watching. Please don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Throw your comment. Share, tell a friend to tell a friend. And make it like, oh, she did try something new. So I really want you to comment to tell me what I did and what you want me to do more. Alright guys, we keep watching and keep put your eyes whenever I upload another video. Yep, press the bell notification so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified.
Happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel. When I'm with you, I'm at ease. I can let down my hair. We can be silly together. I don't have to pretend. With you, I'm happy just being myself. In your company, I'm never bored. We can have fun whether we're indoors or outdoors. I'm always content in your arms, no matter what life throws our way. As long as we're together, nothing can bring me down. With you by my side, I can take on the world. When I'm with you, I don't need anything else. Just your love is all I need to be happy. Without you, I'm incomplete. But with you, I'm finally complete. So as long as you're with me, I'll be happy.
So guys, I'm done with the back. Now it's time to start up with the front. So this crochet thing, no, this crochet of a thing is very, very technical. So as you do it, as you go further to do it, make sure you try to cover the holes. You cover the rows all around it. Yeah, because if you don't, as soon as you put it on, those holes are gonna show up. So make sure you try to like put a cover every area. It's very important because since it's a blonde hair, and with me having a black hair, if I don't cover it well, my natural hair will shoot in some of those holes. And then the middle thing that I tied, I had to tie it again well and cut it off because I know that my hair will be it will be an obstruction to my hair. So when you try to tie it and then fasten it, make sure you don't cut it too high, or don't try to over tie it. I mean the net, the middle net that I tied. So make sure you don't fasten it too hard or too long because your net will be short. The net, no, the net in which you're doing the crochet is gonna be short. That's it. Okay, guys, I'm already done. We are almost going to the end. We are almost at the end of the show. This is how it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh God. Now it's time to start cutting it because it's a low cut. The idea is for me to make a low cut hairstyle. So I I wanted to do an afro. Yeah, that would be understandable. It is a low cut hairstyle. Low cut hairstyle. So I will continue to trim it all the way until it looks exactly like a low cut. Then I will stop it from there because that's the style I really want to bring out for my viewers to see. Yep, do not waste your hair after using it like once, twice. Sometimes do not use. You need to keep it and then use it for styles such as this. This is not over yet. I'm just like trying to wait. Yeah, I have already reduced it up to a certain point. I will keep reducing it to it actually looks like a low cut for me or to me. Yeah, guys. So I will make sure I cover this dark line that is showing. Make sure you cover it up. As you tap it up, make sure you cover those dark lines because the tendency is for the gold hair to be showing, just the gold hair itself. Alright guys, I'm done. So now we're going to the end of the video. I'm putting on my locket and you see that's it. Guys, don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.